everyone, welcome back to my new video. So in this video I'm going to try on some wigs. I'll wear the wigs to give those cute hairstyles. I picked out those wigs from anibiu.com. The links are in the description box and this is my coupon code for 10% off. I want to try these wigs first. Look at the picture. It's very beautiful and the styles. I will recreate those 3 styles. And all those wigs can go with Lolita dresses. They're just very beautiful. Look, this one. It's very smooth, so the color is mixed with blue and silver and with some white and purple. So the color is mixed. Wow, very pretty, right? This wig will go with one of my blue dress I just bought. I will show you guys in the future. Very beautiful blue Lolita dress. It's brand new because my hair is very long, so I will braid my hair first and pin all the hair up, and then I will use wig cap because I pinned my hair up so it doesn't feel I'm having a lot of hair. Look, the back is pretty flat. The wig is very comfortable. It's not too tight. So, you know, sometimes the wig are very tight and it makes you have headache. So far, this one is very comfortable. I like the length of the wig. It's not too long. If it's too long, you have the feeling the hair like drag you from the back. But this one just the right length. And also, I like those curls. I think this style suit my face shape really well. Look, it make my face look smaller, right? I think this one is a similar hairstyle like the gray one. It shaped my face frame really good. So how to style the wig? You pull this in the front and pull this in the back. This way it cover your cheeks. You could curl your bangs. So in this picture, they used like metal hair clips. I have a unicorn hair clip. So this is the one style. It looks really cute. If you have the hair bow, you could clip on the both sides. It's just like the one I had before. This hairstyle fits me really good. Really good. Very cute. Another style is to wear the Lolita hair dress like that. Wow, it looks really good. Color really matches. This could be a really good look. The link of how to make the hair dress is in the description box. Let's do a look just like the picture. You divided the hair into 2 parts and divided this into 2 parts and you just like that. Make it a little bit loose and tie it on. It's similar to the picture, but it's not exactly the same. I don't have exactly same straw hat, so I will use this one instead. It's a cap one. I could transform this hat into a different style. Another look. I'm wearing a white blouse in this video because the white blouse goes with pretty much all the colors. Yeah, that's a different look. The next look is to pin the hair up. So if you pin your hair up, this style could go with your wedding style Lolita dress or tea party style Lolita dress or classic Lolita or any Lolita dress that's an elegant style. Oh, it looks really good. I can't wait to put out the full look with this new blue Lolita dress. It would go perfectly with this wig and hairstyles. This hairstyle would go with a headdress or a KC. KC means a hair bow. It'll go with that and it'll also go with a bow net. This is probably my favorite one in this video. Very comfortable to wear. Usually I get headache when I wear a wig, but this time I don't have a headache. I just feel hot. I love the look of my hair all up. It looks really good. So next one I will try a short wig. I'm not sure how I look. Wow, I look really good with short hair. And the color, I like the color. And the wig are really soft and easy to take care of. This part it's a little bit too long. Wow, it looks really cute. Somehow I feel like not very even. You need to take time to fix it. I think the left part is a little bit poofier than the right one. Okay, right now look better now. The bands looks really good. So this wig also include 2 bangs to add it out. You look, I will use the wing here. Wow, it looks really cute. I look pretty good in short hair. You could wear this wig to go with any style of outfit. You don't have to wear those 2 bangs. It looks really good, and it's very soft and very comfortable to wear. Wow, it looks really good. Can't wait to try the next one. Wow, those wigs are really good quality. They make your face a lot smaller. So this is the next one. So the color is grayish purple. I love those. Wow, I just look really good with those curly hair. So on this one, I will also do a hair up style, and those 2 will be in the front, maybe a little bit too much. Yeah, it's kind of look shorter than the picture because the hair is very short. So you're just doing like that, do, and move it to the back. Pin it down, just doing this, and move to up. So it's make your side look not flat. Wow, it looks really good. Look, I cannot wish my wedding hairdo was look like this. It's kind of look like a wedding hairstyle, right? Look, if I'm adding this on the back, it does look like a wedding hairdo. And it's very easy. It looks really good. I look really good with curly hair. Okay, let me get some wedding hair accessories. Wow, I look so pretty with this hairstyle. So I find some like wedding hair accessories, and I put one here, and I put another one right here. I think I have more of those, but I don't remember. Pin it on here. For this one, I'll just do one side and pin this one on. Wow. Feels like I'm going to a wedding. I really wish my wedding hairdo was like this, and this wig looks really natural. It looks very pretty. So this wig not just go with your Lolita dress or any other dress. You could wear it on your wedding, right? It looks really good. It does looks really good. And look, those hair accessories. It is a wedding look. Wow. I can't believe it. It looks really pretty. It looks really pretty. I'm very happy to this wig after I restyled it. So if I'm going to pull off a wedding style Lolita dress, I think I'll wear this wig. I do have a wedding style Lolita dress, but I want to modify that to a more exquisite. I want to modify it. I can't wait to this full look. So I'm planning to go to Dragon Con this year. I want to pull out classic Lolita look. I really like when my hair all up. It looks really good. Okay, let's try the last wig. So this wig is straight, it's not curly, and on the top it's black. How do I say this color? This color is like what shade of red? For what's the English name for this shade of red? It's very smooth. Let me do a hairstyle with this wig. I don't even want to take this one out. It's just so pretty. So pretty. I wish I knew more before my wedding, so my look will be better. It's very pretty. And so when you get a wig, if you know how to style it, the wig will look so much prettier. Wow, you could wear this wig in like daily life. It's a really natural color and it looks really good. The color looks really pretty. Wow. It makes my face look smaller. So in this picture, Oh, in this picture, they actually did a Chinese hairstyle. So I guess this look is to go with the cheese Lolita dress or the Chinese Hanfu Ruqing style Lolita dress. You could do any hairstyle you like. I will do a Chinese hairstyle. This hairstyle will be a little bit complicated. And then we just pin it. It's not the same, but I guess it's fine. Like pin it like this way. And then I will do the same on the other side. And we use like this part, and we will do like make a small loop like that. Make a small loop. See that? Yeah, it's different than the picture. Hairstyle will also go with Hanfu if you wear the same on this side. Yeah, this hair has side bands to shape your face. Like pin it to the back, 2 loops, and I will have a little bit to the front. You could also braid this part. This hairstyle will go perfectly with Hanfu Qixong Ruqing Lolita dress. I will add hair accessories. It looks really good. I think I will pin it up. Look, it looks really pretty, and it has more hair in the back. You could wear those ones. I prefer hairpins. This side looks better than that side. When I do hairstyle, the left side always look better than the right. The hairpins are really pretty good. I have some more. I don't think I need to put more hairpins. I love all the wigs. The color and the quality looks really good. Especially the ones with the curls. Looks really good on me, and I really love it. I really love it because the color is very natural. You could wear it in daily life if you want it. And I love all the hairstyles. I just can't wait to put together a lot of Lolita look or Hanfu look. I have 2 brand new Lolita dress I haven't shown yet, and I have 3 brand new Hanfu I haven't shared yet. I just really love those 2 styles. They're just very beautiful, and I really love classic Lolita. I used to prefer sweet Lolita, but right now I prefer classic Lolita, and I want to transform some of my sweet Lolita into classic Lolita. I will try. I'm not sure if it's work, but I will try so I don't have to buy a lot of dresses. I need to control myself buying Lolita dresses and Hanfu. So that's all for today. I hope you're enjoying this video, and the link of the week are in the description box. I'll see you guys in next video soon. Bye bye. Okay, I just want to show you how this hairstyle goes really good with Chi Lolita dress. Wow, it looks really good with this wig.